Hi guys, welcome back. Let's do motion tracking in Premiere Pro where the subject of the video, which is the hiker, will be positioned to the center of the video. We're going to do some tweaks with the positioning of the video so that the subject, which is the hiker, lies at the center of the video. So to do this, this is a sample footage of hikers. So we're going to zoom this video in so that the main focus of the video will be this hiker, just like this. This hiker is going to be the focus of the video that we edit. So to make the guides appear, click on this one and then click on drag show guides into the panel, drag the rulers into the panel, and then click on OK. Show the rulers. So click on the show guides as well and then drag anywhere from the rulers to make guidelines. Make an intersection which will lie over the focus of the video, which is this hiker. So let's say we position the video so that the bottom center of the beanie will be the focus of the entire video. So turn on the stopwatch to move the video. So let's say every 3 seconds, 3 frames, that's to say, you move the video so that the guidelines, the intersection, is over the bottom center of the beanie. It will take time, so be patient. The end result is going to be really, really amazing. I can tell you. Oh, there are a lot of keyframes that we created when we were positioning the video so that the subject lies at the center of the video that we edit. And then hit enter to play the preview. Now the bottom center of the beanie lies at the center of the video, and this hiker is now the subject of the video. So that's how you can do motion tracking in Premiere Pro, so that you can place something, a subject, as the focus of the video. Thanks for watching guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. From me, it's good day. Ciao.